This video was brought to you by Marcus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Stormberg, Kempower, and Bil Komponenter.
Yo, what's up? This time we didn't need any tools to do diagnostic on Kia. For the diagnostic we used nose. Manta's been driving hard on with this Kia, and when he came back and took the car on the lift, we felt very unpleasant smell from electric motor. So we are taking it down, and we'll take it apart and check how it looks inside. Hope our nose is done good diagnostic and we will not lose a few hours on disassembling and installing another electric motor. Two looking, one working. Oh. Some of bolts are already missing, so it can be that some bolts are being in between starter and rotor, right?
Maybe. Never know.
I've seen a lot, but I haven't seen that electric motor bearings would be broken so badly. See, there was this part was touching starter somewhere here and making a short circuit. Another bearing on another side is also broken, but this one, this is something that I never seen before. I need the lights. Look, it's just I don't know, half of the bearings are in the place, the rest is gone. How cool is this? Nice. And by the way, this is very good answer when customers asking, can I drive with broken electric motor bearing, or when bearing is just starting to make noise. So I'm happy that our nose and ears and logic didn't, let's say, cheated us this time. Sorry. So we have another ready, refurbished electric motor ready. So it will be installed in this Kia after coffee break. Cool. I'm very happy. So I think it's gonna be quite short video this time because it's not much more to show. Don't think that you are very interesting to see how the car is driving after, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to you later.